G'day everybody, my name's Richard. I'm here at the Oldtimer Centre with a beautiful Mini. This is a 2012 Countryman. Look at the size of it. I mean, I'm only 4'2", just joking. But this is a dark blue with beige leather interior, Mini Countryman, with only about 82 or 3,000 kilometres. Let me just check my spec sheet. It's got rego till the end of November, and it's a Cooper S, 86,000 Ks, Cooper S, so that's the bigger, better engine. The leather is gorgeous inside. You can fold down the back seats. They have an enormous area compared to a normal Mini to chuck your golf clubs in, minus the driver. And look at that car. It's been serviced either by Mini or Ball Gallagher Automotive. My brother lives just near there. So it's got the yellow number plates on at the moment, but it's really easy for us to transfer them over to the nice premium or Euro plates. Everything about the car sings out that it's been garaged properly. The headlights, the wheels have got a couple of marks on them. But you know, ladies and gentlemen, we're about what's under the bonnet, service history, colour combination, and overall feel of the car. And I can tell you right now, this is a 9 out of 10. My name's Richard Simons. I'm here at the Oldtimer Centre, and we love selling cars like this. So it's got alloy wheels, the Pirelli tyres are near new, it's fully automatic, and being a Cooper S, it's faster. It's got paddle shifting, it's got a great little 2 keys, little side decals and the little S badges everywhere, the grille's nice and black pieces everywhere. I mean, this is a sexy car. Fold down the back seats and all of a sudden, the Mini doesn't become a Mini, it becomes a Maxi. It's got a Harman Kardon sound upgrade, navigation, Bluetooth, bippers and all the rest, and very modern in its feel. The beige door trims are lovely. Bits of plastic here, we just give them a bit of a polish because, you know, sometimes you can see here, this is black and this is grey. It takes 2 minutes to sort out. We at the Oldtimer Centre, more importantly, give you a full mechanical check and a roadworthy certificate. We give you a 1-year extended warranty, parts and labour up to $2,000. It's not bad. Very reputable company. You can extend that to 3 years or 5 years. Even though it's 86,000 kilometres in 14 years, which is absolutely nothing, it really ticks every box. We can organise interstate transport, finance is really easy, even assist you with compare the market insurance when you come here on our computers. We've got in-house services New South Wales, so you can transfer the car into your name if you live in New South Wales. And we do the Public Property Securities Register check. So the PPSR check, just to make sure there's no money owing, finance or hail dents, or it's not stolen and things like that. We don't deal in stolen cars. I don't know anybody that does. So our showroom's at 29 Antoine Street, 9569 9999. Mini are made by BMW, which is great. They make good little fun cars. I'm going to show you around this car shortly. But actually, before I do, when the camera's on the tripod, I'd like to pop open the front of it so you know what, and because it's a bit hard just with the one hand. So let's just see, Mr. Bonnettio. Okie dokie, hokey pokey. Oh my God, it's nice under there. Nice that the bonnet struts are all working. All the little, I'll show you in here, all the chassis numbers and things like that. It's lovely to see that everything is totally original. You can see there what I'm talking about. Beautiful little car, no oil leaks, doesn't smell when you turn it on. Just been washed. We have not detailed this car, but this is what it's all about. I mean, have a look at that. Imagine going down to the Sheaf in Double Bay, parking outside. Everyone's not going to be looking at the Ferraris and Lambos. They're going to look at this Mini. Woo! Chrome little door handles, a decent amount of legroom for a Mini. Austin Powers would be completely shocked by that. Most Minis, really, you just can't even squeeze into the back of. And look at this. That is a fabulous boot. Yes, I know you've got a much bigger boot, Mr. Bentley, but unfortunately this is still pretty good for a Mini. Cooper S, look at that badge, it's very nice. Dual exhaust pipes, the tyres are 18-inch wheels. The tyres are basically brand new. I'll start it up and we'll have a bit of a listen to it. You can see here, it's an Aussie delivered, April 2012. You get airbags in the seats. Very nice little car. Anything under 100 Ks in a dark colour with a beige leather interior is going to sell in my business. Navigation, Bluetooth. Oh yeah, baby. Shush. Shush while I'm making a video, Mr. Wireless. Oh, this is cool. It's got everything you could hope for. And you'll see here. So first of all, it's not a reverse camera. It's parking sensors, which is fine. You've got all these different Bluetoothy things and you can navigate and so forth. But again, in a Mini, you don't need parking sensors. Oh, there's paraphernalia. All the dials, all the buttons, everything's lovely, everything works. And honestly, ladies and gents, you know, I bought a Mini brand new in 2006 and it was one of the best experiences that I've ever had, but I had children, and if this was around at the time and you chuck your kids in the back of it, they love Minis. 29 Antoine Street, Rydalmere. We're MTA members. We've had fabulous Google reviews recently, so please take note of them. And we will do the right thing by you. So you can catch the ferry here. We're just not too far from the M4, M5 and so forth. You'll see we've got heaps of different cars. The showroom's pretty full at the moment. We are busy, but BMs and Minis are popular. They're a fun little car, great to drive. And as you'll see there, it's got both keys. Sexy air vents that are really easy to move around. There's your up and down paddle. The windows have got standard tint and a nice little clunk there that you generally only get from a Mercedes-Benz, but it's nice to see that the Minis have started doing a bit of clunking as well. So if you're on YouTube, please visit us at www.old.com.au to look at this beautiful Mini, and we'll see you soon.